Hi everyone, it's Jean from Jean's Gems. I just wanted to do a little update for you. I have decided to delve into digitals myself. I often use a lot of digitals from Kim Newberg, and I have also used some from Caroline, from Caroline's Craft Tree. But it's really interesting when you start to make digitals and you see different people making them and how their ideas come together to make the digitals. And I like to use a lot of vintage images, and I like to use children images in my work, but I ventured out a little bit different this time. One of the things that I have always liked are little teacups and tea sets. So I decided that I would try my hand at what I call some tea time girls. Now, these ladies are very lavish and beautiful, and they're kind of in a fantasy type style. So I'm going to be adding these to my coffee shop for free because it's my very first set that I've made. And then going forward, as I get more feedback on what I'm designing and what I decide to design, then there will be members only and fees for certain digitals. But right now I'm going with these three tea time ladies free for you in my coffee shop. So I'll leave the link below. And then eventually I will probably add some to my Etsy shop as well. But I'm really excited about this because I've been wanting to do it for a long time and never really knew how. So I started doing some investigating online and checking into different things, and I found out how I could create some really beautiful images. So there are 3 sheets, and the images are similar, but they are done in different color schemes. So let me show you the first one. The first one is basically, as you can see, images of teacups and saucers, and they're done in a way that it looks like they are in like a princess or a fantasy, or how do I want to say it, vintage style. So the girls are different because I made them with different hair. So you get a sheet of 9 that are like a more of a square design, and a couple of the tea cups to add into your creations. Not all the girls have teacups. Now on this one they do. So they're either holding them or they have, like this girl has one over here. So those are, that's the first page. The second page is just images of the girls without the teapots. What I love about these is in the background you see little castles and like portals into another fantasy land, which I think is really a cool idea. So here we have redheads and brunettes, and we have girls with black hair and so you can use a variety of the girls depending on whatever you're making, tags or whatever. Then I made a smaller sheet where these are about 4 inches. They're bigger than inches, but on this one you get 4 times 5, you get 20 images, and there should be a different girl in each square if I did it properly. And then of course I added the tiny teacups. So I really love the way these came out, and I can't wait to make some things with them. And you are welcome to go on my coffee shop and download these for free. Now I will tell you that they're pretty bright and saturated images, so they will probably use a bit of ink. I tried to make them, you know, as vibrant as possible. I'm getting some sun from the sun out through my window, so I hope you guys can still see these well. But they just came out really beautiful, and I think that this is something that I will enjoy. I never really was interested in digital art. I always wanted to make everything handmade, but I've often purchased digital images myself, and now I have finally delved into this so I can make my own. So I just wanted you all to see them because this is my debut, and I will add these to my coffee shop, and you all are welcome to download them as you see fit. So I'd love some feedback. Let me know what you think about the digitals, because I'm in no way, shape, or form a professional with this. And like I said, I've always gotten my digitals from Kim or other Etsy sellers that I've purchased some from in the past, and have used some of Caroline's digitals as well. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will be seeing you soon. Take care. Bye for now.